So, here I am in a very compact space. You might be wondering, what am I doing here? Simple. I'm just having fun in my town. I don't care what anyone thinks. Yeah, I may look weird. My hair might look stupid. My face might look stupid. But guess what? I'm having fun. That's all that really matters. Guess what? There's a tractor right here, and I feel like going onto it. And I don't know how anything works, but I'm not even going to figure it out because I'm scared. I'm not always going to be in this spot because this is a work site, so the only reason I'm here is because the employees aren't here. So, yeah, I feel like I should. So now I'm on a train. Yeah, it's kind of fun here. I mean, there's not much to do, but